Sentence patterns. I drink juice. Joso nomimasu. I buy a newspaper at the station. Eke de shenbon no kaimasu. Won't you come to Kobe with me? Watashi to isshu ni Kobe ni ikimasen ka? Let's take a rest for a little bit. Skoshi yasumimashou. Do you smoke? Tobacco soimasu ka? No, I don't. Ie, soimasen. What did you eat this morning? Kesa nani o tabimashita ka? I did not eat anything. Nani mo tabimasen deshita. What did you do last Saturday? Senshu no ryobi ni nani o shimashita ka? I studied Japanese, then I saw a movie. Nihongo o benkyou shimashita. Sore kara eiga o mimashita. On Sunday, what did you do? Nichiyobi ni nani o shimashita ka? I went to Nara with a friend. Tomodachi to isshu ni Nara ni ikimashita. Where did you buy that bag? Sono bago doko de kaimashita ka? I bought it in Mexico. Mexico de kaimashita. Won't you drink some beer with me? Watashi to isshu ni biru o nomimasen ka? Yes, let's have a drink. Hai, nomimashou. Won't you join us? Mr. Miller? Mera-san. Yes? Hi. I'm going to enjoy cherry blossom viewing with my friends tomorrow. Won't you join us, Mr. Miller? Ashita, tomodachi to isshu ni hanami ni ikimasu. Mera-san mo isshu ni dou desu ka? That sounds nice. Where will you go? Ii desu ne. Doko ni ikimasu ka? Osaka-jo koen. Osaka-jo koen? What time? Nanji desu ka? At 10 o'clock. Let's meet at Osaka-jo koen station. 10時です。大阪城公園駅で会いましょう。OK。わかりました。Well, see you tomorrow. じゃ、また明日。Reference words and information. Food, vegetables. Cucumber, curry. Tomato, tomato. Eggplant, nasu. Beans, peas, mame. Cabbage, kebetsu. Welsh onion, negi. Chinese cabbage, hakusei. Spinach, horinsu. Lettuce, ritatsu. Potato, jagaimo. Japanese radish, daikon. Onion, tamanegi. Carrot, ninjin. Fruits, kodamono. Strawberry, ichigo. Peach, momo. Watermelon, soika. Grape, budu. Japanese pear, nashi. Persimmon, kake. Banana, banana. Mandarin orange, mikan. Apple, ringo. Beef, gyuniko. Chicken, toriniko. Ham, hamo. Pork, botaniko. Sausage, sausage. Horse mackerel, aji. Sardine, iwashi. mackerel, saba, mackerel pike, sanma, salmon, sake, tuna, maguro, sea bream, tai, cod, tara, lobster, shrimp, ebi, crab, kani, shellfish, kai, cuttlefish, ika, octopus, taco, egg, tamago, rice, komi. Additional information. Japan imports more than half of the food consumed by the nation. The rates of self-supply of food are as follows: cereals 30%, vegetables 85%, fruits 49%, meat 57%, and seafood 61%. 1995 Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries. Of all the cereals, rice is the only one that Japan is self-sufficient in. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!